Annyeonghaseyo Wonders, welcome back to We Wonder Korea. Last time I visited Seoul Forest Park, one of Seoul's most popular places to relax in nature. We left off just as I was leaving the park, headed toward one of Seoul's most popular malls, Starfield Coex Mall, which according to Google is the largest underground mall in all of Asia. So if that turns out to be wrong, let me know in the comments. Just got off the train, headed to the next stop. We're going to the Starfield Coex Mall. I'm only going here because somebody mentioned it online, and I'm like, okay, why not? But there's a lot of foreigners suddenly, more than I've seen anywhere else on my trip so far. I must be in a popular area. So this is actually my first time in a mall in Korea. Let's see what they have. I don't know what I'm looking for. Nothing really. I mean food. I'm really hungry. Let's see what we can find to eat. Let's just see how the place is. There's supposed to be a library that I should visit as well. Might be cool. Dude, I feel so much better. I finally ate. I came in, I wasn't really filming much. I was just like running, like, where's food? I was starting to feel horrible. I ate at this one back here. Nope, back there. I'll show you right here where I ate and what I ate. Some spicy bulgogi something. God, it was so freaking good. Guys, look at the map here of this mall. This place is ridiculous, man. This is one of those malls that's just like too freaking big. The only place I know for sure I need to go is Daiso. And then if there's like a bike store, but I definitely want to look around Daiso. And then I'll just walk around the mall and see what else catches my eye. I would really love some dessert now also. I used the map to figure out which direction Daiso's in, so I'm headed there now. If you don't know Daiso, it's a Japanese dollar store brand, and it's very popular in lots of different countries. I think they even have it in US, but not in the area that I grew up in. I think they're in California, maybe New York, I'm not sure. Okay, I've entered Daiso. We are looking for bike stuff. Maybe a little bike pump or bike like CO2 canister. That would be nice. I don't know if they'll have or not. The first Daiso I ever experienced was in Australia and it blew my mind. Now I've been to them in the Philippines and now here. I guess I should specify the reason it blew my mind is because it's way bigger than like dollar stores in the US and the products seem to actually be useful. You know, they're still cheap. And they could fall apart, some things, but most things generally seem to be better quality than what you find in a dollar store in the US. I love Daiso, guys. I spent a while looking around at their cycling stuff, which, to be honest, I was shocked they even had to begin with. I ended up picking up a few things for the bike. Some of them actually ended up being pretty invaluable during the cycling section of the trip, but we'll get to that soon. Before heading out, I also grabbed some snacks, because, come on, of course I did. Dude, I'm really surprised they have all this Halloween stuff here. Like, obviously, there are people who celebrate Halloween, but like when I was in Philippines, I didn't see anything stocked in the store to buy for Halloween. That's pretty cool. Alright, I bought quite a few things for the bike. I bought a seat, pump, a repair kit, you know, a bunch of stuff I probably shouldn't trust very cheap Daiso products with, but we'll put it to the test. Let's see how it goes. I'd rather have something than nothing, just to be safe, you know. Let's see what else we can find. This is the only thing I really needed here. Now I need some dessert, and I do want to go check out the library. Looks like they have a cinema and an aquarium? Cinema makes sense. Aquarium. That's interesting. But we're getting close to the library, so let's just check that for now. Yep, it's the coolest library I've ever been in. This is crazy. Wow. But how do you check the books? This majestic place is known as Starfield Library. As you can see, the architecture here is what really stands out. I did find it interesting as there were a lot of tourists, like me, also taking pictures and video of everything, but that didn't stop quite a few people from actually using the library properly. Almost all the seats were taken with people reading or studying. I can't help but feel like all the tourists would distract me, but I guess they're used to it. Library is amazing, but literally at least 50% of the people in there are just doing exactly the same thing as me and just filming everything. Not really there for the library purpose, just because it's beautiful. I saw one girl go up and down the escalator filming like 3 or 4 times. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm like, man, she cannot get the shot. I don't know how, because any shot in there is beautiful. Okay, I'm on my way to the theater and aquarium. Maybe the aquarium's free, like that zoo the other day? I doubt it. I wasn't really planning to go to an aquarium today. Let's just check it out. Let's see. Maybe I'll go, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll watch a movie. I love seeing movies in different countries. The theater experience is always different, but I have seen a movie in Korea before. I watched Ant-Man. The first Ant-Man, I believe. Or the second one? Ant-Man and the Wasp? One of the Ant-Man that I watched in Korea. Whichever one came out in 2018. Well, I found the movie theater. It's cool. Totally different than anything else in the mall. I mean, I guess it's more similar to the library than the rest of the mall. Well, I was gonna see a movie, but there's actually nothing I want to see. They have a self-ticketing center that has English on it. So I was able to see everything, and there's just nothing good. So I came back up and I got my dessert, Shake Shack, chocolate shake. It's good, man. Then we gotta find that aquarium. All right, I found the aquarium. I checked the price. It said $33,000 to enter, which isn't that bad. That seems like a normal aquarium price. I'm not gonna do it now though, because I have other plans today. Well, I'm almost back to the Airbnb. I gave up, guys. There were 2 more places I wanted to go, Olympic Park and Lotte Tower. My feet and ankles are just absolutely murdered. I'm not so sore in my legs anymore, but my feet and ankles are just wrecked. So tomorrow, we'll start at Olympic Park and Lotte Tower and then work our way slowly back, going to some other spots. Tomorrow's the last full day before I begin cycling. The last day that I have accommodation. We'll see what happens after that. Anyway, this might be the end for this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the final full non-cycling day in Incheon and Seoul. Gotta make the most of it. So because I came back early, I had time to put all my stuff on the bike. So I've got my bags back here. They're not filled up yet. Put on my kickstand. This one I just bought at Daiso because this seat was pretty uncomfortable. I have some padded underwear too, so the padded underwear plus this one is real padded. Should be comfortable. My little bag, my bell, phone holder, which would have been really nice yesterday. I had to keep stopping to check where I was. And GoPro holder so I can film. Oh, and my cup holder. So everything's ready. It's good to go. I'm excited. Next time, I accidentally stumble upon Incheon's Chinatown before finally starting my cross-country cycling adventure. You won't want to miss it. Keep wondering.